Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. My name is Rebecca, and today we have a new video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We go to several different stores throughout the DFW area, take lots of pictures, combine them all into one video, and organize them by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with the apparel and the accessories. They have more of their novelty socks or some fun new Mickey and mini socks that fit shoe size 9 to 13. They also had a bunch of these Coca-Cola socks kind of geared towards the winter season. They've got the polar bear, some with the snowflakes, kind of a sweater look, which I thought was really cute. They even had some with the polar bears and then the Coca-Cola glass bottles. I thought those were cute. They also had these Fanta socks and they had the Sprite brand. And those are all those taller socks. These have a little bit more of a vintage look with the stripes at the top. They have these vegan leather wallets. This one has the peace sign, and then they have one that says hustle. Also, they had one that has the peace sign with the green, yellow, and red. Then I found these cosmetic bags, which are so fun with the kind of fluffy style iron-on patches. They say stuff, glam, and stuff on the blue one. There's two shades of pink. They also had these shoe charms, which will fit in like a croc style shoe. Then for the arts and crafts this week, we've got a bunch of these boxes of the faux fur restocked. There's quite a few different colors as well. This has the smooth backing, but the fur on the front, so you can easily cut it to craft with and sew projects. You can see all the different colors there. Then I found these boxes of acrylic markers, and they are like a paint marker. You get a couple different colors in each box, and there's two different boxes available. And I did check the price of these. They are ringing up at $1.25, but you can see you have the pastels and the primary colors. For the baby, toddler, and children's section, they have the lift the flat books, which are always so fun for little kids. Has the hidden pictures, so you can lift them up and see different characters under each one. They had a couple of those. They also had these two bath fizzies by the Crayola brand. They had the seahorses and the little fishies with different scents. Then they had these ages 2 to 3, my first alphabet book, and the basic skills workbook for like cutting, matching, and opposites. For the health and beauty section, we'll check out what's new in the cosmetics, some skincare. We'll do some hair care and hair accessories, also some pharmacy and personal care items. They brought back these mirror effect nail polish by the Cosmic Colors. I've actually used one. They dry nice, but they're not as mirrored effect as you would like them to be. They really require a top coat to get that shine. As far as I can tell, I've shook it really well. It just doesn't have that same mirrored effect without the top coat. Then they also have these iridescent nail polish colors in the Cosmic Nails. And there was a whole bunch of different ones. They had like some blue, some orange. They had gold, the white. There was a couple different colors of pink or red and some purples. There's just a ton of those, and they sell really quickly. Those are also $1.25. A bunch of these must-have beauty on the go makeup bottles. They had these lip contour kits where you get the matte color lipstick and the lip liner. Those are in those last minute gift idea boxes that you'll see out on the shelves recently. Then we have the Be Pure lip gloss with the grapeseed oil. It has this fun rhinestone topper, which I thought was really neat, with a nice nude color lip gloss. They have these little makeup brush kits, and they have the kind of diamond shaped case with a beauty blender in it. You can get the purple or the pink. And then those are in those great gift boxes, which are red, so they're easy to spot. They have the Be Pure microfiber hair wraps. You could either get them in the dark pink or the purple. They have some like brushes and things to match. These are those large headbands you can wear to keep your hair back while you're doing your skincare and hair care or makeup. They have the mini hair brush detanglers. You can use it wet or dry. Then I found these really fun fashion accessory hair clips. I love these ribbons with the little flowers on them Has the regular like barrette style closure in the back. They have some micellar cleansing water and the great gifts. They have the jade gua sha and the roller. We've also got the jeweled sleep mask and the jeweled makeup puffs. They had these out last year as well. As they get closer to Valentine's Day, they'll have some out for that season as well, probably in some similar colors like the pink and the red with all the rhinestones. Here are some close-ups for you. For the fun finds this week, we had found these great gifts, Disney and SpongeBob or the Peanuts characters lip gloss. The apple cider is the lip balm for the Mickey. Then they have the peppermint lip balm, that is the SpongeBob SquarePants, and that is that one there. Then they've also got the candy cane flavor, which is the elf on the shelf, has the little Santa hat on top. Or you can get the peanuts, which is super popular right now. That's also a candy cane flavored. Then we've got these fun ink pens with the squishies on top. They had these little great gifts. These are $1.50. These are fingerboard games. They have like fingerboard football. They have ice hockey. That's the whole little board and all the little play pieces you need. They also had basketball and the soccer ball game. And now for the home decor, just a few items. A couple times a year, they'll get these extra large 11 by 14 frames in a couple different colors like silver, black, and gold. They had some more of the mercury glass votives. Last week, they had them in sort of like a teal pink. I found them in the red and gold. Then we've got these new light up votives with the battery operated candle inside. So it's got like this round ball inside that the candle goes in, and then you just light it up and the whole thing kind of shimmers with all those prism cuts in it. It's kind of pretty. For the home office, library, and teaching tree section, we've got a bunch of these planners for 2026, 2027. They have these sticker puzzle books. There's cats, dinosaurs. These are really fun for little kids for learning. They're just fun to play with all around. Really, just anyone can use them. But they have dogs under the sea. I kind of like that they have these new themed versions. They even have these flowers, which I think would be fun to match all the sticker pieces together. Kind of like building a puzzle. For the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization, we've got these laundry stain remover sticks. It contains one soap stick that is 2.5 ounces. And they are in this clear white color, so easy to put on your clothes. It's kind of like a Fells Napa bar. They even brought back these wipes. Then for the kitchen and pantry, they had these tumblers. We've got the sipping through the snow, holiday cheer in the green, and then the red one says holly jolly vibes. And those have the topper or the screw-on lid that has the piece that just slides back to open it up, and then you can close it to keep it sealed. They also have the large jeweled tumblers. They have those in all the Christmas colors you would expect to see. It comes with the straw and the lid. Now, you don't want to put these in the dishwasher. It does wash off a lot of the shine. They have those in 4 colors, these little kid cups with the antlers and the straws on top with the lids. Those are super cute. They sell those in the red and the green. Then for the party supplies, they have out some of these party favors, which they don't always carry these. So it's nice to see them finally restock them. They have some whistles, these little toys where you catch the ball, and the whistles that blow a little fan. They also had these extra large bows over by the gift wrap and bow section, but they were mostly just down in like large boxes sitting on the floor. Then for the pet care items, not really pet care, but it's pet related. They have the pets welcome, people tolerate it. This is a magnet for your kitchen. This one says meowgical moments with the cat. They have less people, more cats with the paw print. And then this one says, the more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. And less people, more cats with the 3 little cats on the front. I thought those were cute. For the seasonal items, we had a big Christmas video last week right after Thanksgiving. So this will just be some newer restocked items I found. They have more of the cookie plates and some of the tapestry style placemats. Then they have more of the cookie tins out, but these are the larger rectangle ones that have the bows attached to the lids. It's the first time I've seen these this season. They had some new ones, lots of restocks from last year, and they've restocked a lot of those miniature mailboxes for the letters to Santa, and they have them in a couple different styles. I'll just show you guys a few of them so you know what's sort of available, but definitely look through those. They have a ton of those out. They also brought back the vintage looking boxes, which I always like. They have them in the round or the square. It has that baker's twine bow and ribbon at the top. Also, they have more of the gift boxes with the Velcro closures and the glitter tops and a bunch of different styles and a whole bunch of different gift bags. They keep putting out more each week that I am there, and they have them in tons of different sizes. I love these natural looking bags with the glitter. They're kind of simple but pretty at the same time. They just have a little bit of glitter on the front, but the color schemes are just really nice, a little bit more of a vintage look. And then they have these fun bags with the see-through window that has the sequins in the front. I thought those were kind of neat. They have some elves, there's nutcrackers, they have snowmen, they also have the gingerbread men. And then, of course, Santa and his reindeer. And then we did not see these when we put the stockings and hats out in the last video. So this one I found finally some Star Wars. It's the first ones I've seen this holiday season. So I was kind of surprised they didn't have them out when they first put the others out. Either that or they were sold out first. I'm not sure which one. For the toys and games, they put a restock out of the Make It Blocks flowers. These are always fun. You get 101 pieces. For most of these, it fits all leading brands, which means you can snap them together with name brand Legos, of course. But look at all these fun flowers you can build. I always love the floral ones. They're really pretty. I actually had some of these myself, and the kids put them together for me because they're good at that. And I just put them on a little shelf in my one room. I think they're super cute. They have the art scratch sheets. You get 50 of those. These little doodle boards. It's reusable. And then these miniature puzzles with Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Now for the $3 and up. These are marked $5, but they are $7. I think these are just some left from last year with the old prices on them. There's the stackable gifts, snowmen and Christmas trees. They brought back the 38-inch tree skirts. These are $7 this year as well. They were $5 last year, so everything, all the prices that seem to have gone up have been like a $2 price point increase for most of the items. For the plus section, some of them were just $1, some of them stayed the same, but a lot of the items went up 5. I know these bows last year were 3 and they're 5 this year, so there was about a $2 increase for most of the plus items. They had in more of these extra large wreaths. They have them in the solid red, gold, silver, and blue. And then these tumbler cups, they are basically like a monochromatic looking printed tumbler. They're 40 ounces. They had the cheetah print. This is the checkerboard pattern and that light tan and ivory. You just see a little bit of the decoration on there. It's just got a very soft color scheme. They also had the purple with the smiley faces. And then there was this cute one here with the paw prints. They had a lot of the 40-ounce tumblers in. They also had these bath towels that you wrap around. They have like an elastic band at the top. We've also got a bunch of these lap trays. They are $5. I actually checked the price. They're 23 inches. And you can see they have them in quite a few different colors like red, blue, pink, and teal. These are similar to the ones they sell at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that we post, and leave a comment down below. You can also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.